Good morning, family. Miss T here with lesson 20 of module 4. We're going to solve take from with result unknown expressions and equations using the minus sign with no unknown. So in layman's term, we're going to introduce the minus sign today. The minus sign means simply that we are taking away from. So I'm going to start here with my Lincoln cubes, okay? I'm going to count them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many do we have? Absolutely right. There are 5, okay? I am going to take away 3. 1, 2, and 3. How many are left? If you said 2, you are absolutely correct. So yes, 5 take away 3 is 2. There's a special math way that we write what we just did. We started with 5 cubes, okay? And I'm going to write the number 5 because that is going to show what? You're right. That's going to show our whole or our altogether number. All right? And then what did I do after that? There's a special sign that we use when we want to show that we are removing or taking away some cubes. And it looks like this. Okay? That is the minus sign. How many did we take away? You're absolutely right. We took away 3. I'm going to take away 3. And you already know that part, okay? So I'm going to write the 3 here. And then what comes next? So we've got our whole, we have our minus sign of what we're going to do or what we're doing, take away. And then we had 3 because that's how many we took away. What comes next? Absolutely right. Our equal sign, okay? And our equal sign means what? Yes, it means is the same as or equals. So how many were left or are left on the table? That is 2. And so we're going to write our 2 right there. All right. Now, let Miss T read this for you. Okay. 5, I've got my 5 cubes here. 5 take away 3. Those are the 3 that I'm taking away. Equals or is the same as 2. And that's how many we have left. All right, let's do another one real quick. I'm going to erase this number sentence. And yes, that's a number sentence. Even though it doesn't have a plus sign, there are number sentences that use the minus sign. This is the minus sign. It means take away or what is left. Remember, the minus sign means take away or what is left. All right, now I'm going to make a picture this time on my board about the cubes, okay? How many did we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm using my math drawing, okay? Now I want to take away, let's take away 4, okay? How should we show that we are taking something away? If we don't have objects down here to take away, how can we show how we're taking something away? You're so right, Nick. We're going to cross it out, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I could cross it out like that and just make slanty lines through it, or I can make an X. And that is showing that I am taking away. So I've crossed out 4 cubes. How many do I have left? So remember, I said cubes, but we're doing a math drawing of our cubes, okay? So I crossed out 4. I have 1 cube left, okay? So we're going to write this number sentence together. What number should I start with? If you said 5, kiss your brain, because that was our whole or our altogether number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many did I cross out or did I take away? Okay, so that is when I use my minus sign. Okay, so 5 take away. How many did I cross out? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 take away 4 equals or is the same as, how many's left? What is my number that is left over that I did not cross out? Yes, you're absolutely correct. There's 1. So let's read this together. 5 take away 4 equals 1. Let's read it in a different way. We're going to use the word minus, okay? 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay? Let's read it one more time, and we're going to use is the same as. 5 take away 4 is the same as 1. And remember that equal sign means that our number sentence or our number equation is equal. It's balanced. It's the same amount over here as it is on this side. All right, I'm going to erase my board again, and I'm going to tell you a story, and it's about some children at the park. All right, I'm going to draw a circle for each student. Here we go. There were 5 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let me do this. I'm gonna draw a circle. I'm gonna use a different math drawing. So there were 5 students playing on the slide. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students playing on the slide. 2 of the students left to go to the swings, okay? I'm going to cross those 2 students out, okay? There's 1 student that left to go to the swing. There are 2 students that left to go to the swing. How many students were left? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so help me write the number sentence. And I want you to write it too if you have your whiteboard out or even if you have a piece of paper, okay? How many students were there at the slide first? How many students were at the slide first? Let's write that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to write 5. What's our special sign that we're using today? Kind of like a dash. Our minus sign. Okay. How many students left to play on the swings? Absolutely correct, because we crossed, there's 2 students that left to play on the swing. We know that because we crossed out 2. So 5 take away 2. And then we're going to do what next? What sign comes next? Yes, kiss your brains, our equal sign. 5 take away 2 equals or is the same as. And then how many children were left at the slide to play on the slide? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So our number sentence reads 5 take away 2 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right. You come up with a story sentence or a number sentence on your own. Share it with your family. And then practice, practice, practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy mathing!